Hi, let's delve into a detailed walkthrough with examples of how to use Amazon EC2, AWS System Manager, and AWS Config. What is Amazon EC2? Amazon Elastic Computer Cloud. EC2 provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud, allowing you to quickly scale the computing resources as needed. How to launch a EC2 instance. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard in the AWS Management Console. Click on Launch Instance to begin the instance creation process. Choose a Amazon machine image that suits your requirements, such as Amazon Linux 2 or Windows Server. Select instance type based on your workload needs. It's preferable to use micro image, something lightweight for basic testing, or larger instance for production workloads. Configure instance details such as network settings, storage, and security groups. View the configuration, launch the instance. What is AWS System Manager? AWS System Manager simplifies resource and application management, helping you to automate tasks and configure resources at scale. Running commands in EC2 instance. Navigate to System Manager in the AWS Management Console. Select Run command. From the menu, choose the desired command document, such as, for example, AWS Run Shell Script or AWS Update SSM Agent. Specify the target instance either by instance ID or by tag. Input the command on the script you want to execute. View and execute document. AWS Config provides a detailed view on configuration and AWS resources and helping you access, audit, and evaluate configuration for compliance. Example, monitor configuration changes. Navigate to AWS Config dashboard in AWS Management Console. Set up configuration recording, track changes to your AWS resources. Define rules to evaluate resources configuration against desired configurations. Receive notification for non-compliant configuration. Review the configuration history to understand changes over time. And how to put that all together. Let's say you want to deploy a web application on EC2 instances to secure management by System Manager and ensure compliance using the AWS config. Step 1 is to launch EC2 instances. Use the dashboard to launch the EC2 instance with appropriate configuration. Configure the instances with the System Manager. Utilize System Manager to run command to execute automation documents on EC2 instances to configure them according to the best practices. For example, you can install software updates, configure security settings, and manage application. Step 3 is to monitor compliance with the AWS config. Enable AWS config to track changes to the configuration on your instances. Define rules to ensure compliance with security policies and industry standards. Receive alerts also for the correct action. By leveraging the AWS EC2 for compute capacity, AWS System Management for resource management, AWS Config for configuration auditing, you can deploy and manage your infrastructure efficiently, securely, in compliance with your organization policies and standards. Thank you.